It is a perfect day for a new project.
Shoes okay? I want to learn how to knit. There are so many mousses. Woo! There are so many beautiful colors. This teal yarn is very soft. Woos.
I have my yarn ready now. These straight needles are for me.
I will sit here and start.
First, I make a small loop. This is called a slip knot.
I am concentrating very hard.
This is called casting on. Oh.
In goes the needle, over goes the yarn. Click, clack, go the needles. Look! I am making fabric. It is time for a cup of tea.
The water is very hot.
The bird is very busy.
I feel very relaxed now.
Back to my teal scarf. Oh no! I dropped a stitch. I can fix this problem. The stitch is back in place. My scarf is getting very long. The purl stitch is different. I am learning so fast. The sun is going down. I need light to see the yarn. It is time to cut the yarn. Cut. The yarn.
I am closing the last row. The scarf is finally finished. Hi, whoops, komajai.
My legs feel a bit stiff. It looks very pretty on me.
It is very warm and cozy.
Maybe I will knit a hat next.
This apple is very crunchy.
I will write this in my diary.
My bed looks so soft.
Good night, my beautiful scarf. The moon and stars are bright tonight. Sarah is sleeping slowly under the warm covers.
The house is very quiet at night. Her mind is resting while she dreams.
It is a new morning and the sun is up.
Oh, mine too. Good morning, Teal Scarf. I want to show my craft. Harry's raft, Tayed. Cooking is also a craft.
This is very healthy. I will wear my scarf outside. I am getting ready to leave. I am a Petuel. I am a real knitter now. Goodbye, cozy house. The air feels very clean. Autumn is a lovely season. My scarf keeps me warm. The water is very still. This stone is very cold. Hello, little flower. The wind sounds like music. It is good to be home. Huishet. I am proud of my work.
Knitting is my favorite hobby.
My hands are resting now. Hobbies make life happy. Goodbye. Goodbye.